People gotta have their fucking
phones out. Make it happen. Where'd you park? Totally not. Oh.
Hitting these guys, so...
Like how there's still people coming through.
I know, they're still getting the Tim Hortons too.
It's really busy through the drive-thru.
Fuck, man.
Yeah, he's fine. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, trucks are fine, but people with cars are pretty insane.
Especially like look at that Honda in the neon too. He's almost right up to his,
I think they were just gone to the other Tim Hortons. Like,
yeah, but it's drive-thru.
yeah.
They need the drive-thru. I'm gonna send this shit to Channel 11, man. Be like, hey, look what happened to Dundas today.
You have to get all the speed out of there.
I'm waiting for some fish to be flopping around.
That's what I'm waiting for too.
Nick's just like, oh, you can go home at 7.
Did he say that?
Yeah.
I guess
I told myself, I'm like, we can't be driving this through this. Like, what, like, I'm like, there's 10 centimeters of water. Well, there's not that much.
Usually when it rains though, like this bad, they have like people come here to make sure that nothing happens.
They're slacking today.
Miss one day.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's story.
Chloe, come over here. I don't know, we'll go check out over here.
Frank. Oh yeah, we could go look over there.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh yeah.
If I knew Channel 11's number, I'd call them.
Who?
Channel 11. My phone sucks, man. I can't really make out the road down there. Well, you can tell it's flooding. Dirty. Look at this guy running across the street. They're not even coming here. What else must happen?
I really wonder how they are doing down there.
What?
I wonder how they're doing that. Like,
Yeah.
it's just above the curb and
Yeah, and it's going like all the way down the road. Fuck, man. Go get a rubber shoe. Fucking go down the
I'll
road.
do it. If we had a two, I'd do it.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy a dinghy the other day at Walmart, but I didn't. Would have been in my car right now.
Oh, it'd be killer going down the road. Oh, dude. This is too much fun. I'm glad I decided to come to Dundas today.
It was just drive through.
Yeah. I was sitting there in my own business, and then I see this big branch float by. I'm like, oh my god! And I come out and I look. I'm like, it's fucking starting to fill up.
That might be all the branches.
Yeah. It's way all cleared out now. Unless more shit's falling. That looks pretty fresh there. That
Yeah.
shit.
I think what the guys are worried about on the house there. Other side of the bridge? Yeah, that's what they're worried about. Still flowing.